In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert symbols in AutoCAD in a really quick and simple way. Whether you want to add a diameter symbol, a degree symbol, or a plus minus symbol, AutoCAD gives you easy built-in options that save time and make your drawings look more professional. This is a useful skill for anyone working with dimensions, technical notes, or annotations in AutoCAD. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know 2 different methods you can use anytime. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first method is the most common one, and it uses the text editor inside AutoCAD. To begin, type mtext into the command line and press enter. This opens the multi-line text tool, which is perfect for adding notes and symbols inside your drawing. After that, click anywhere in the drawing area to create your text box. Once the text editor opens, you can start typing your text normally. Now here's the part that makes it easy. While you're inside the text editor, right-click anywhere in the text area. A menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Symbol. AutoCAD will then show you a list of commonly used symbols that you can insert directly into your text. From here, you can select symbols like diameter, degree, plus/minus, and more, depending on what you need. For example, if you need the diameter symbol for a technical drawing, you can select diameter from the symbol list and AutoCAD will insert it instantly. If you need to show a temperature or angle, you can use the degree symbol. And if you're working with tolerances, the plus and minus symbol is also right there in the same menu. This method is especially useful when you want to be sure you're inserting the correct symbol without memorizing any codes. Now let's move on to the second method, which is even faster once you remember the keyboard shortcuts. This method works while you're typing text, and it uses special AutoCAD codes that automatically convert into symbols. These are very handy when you want to type quickly without stopping to open the symbol menu. Here are the main ones to remember. If you type %D, AutoCAD will convert that into the degree symbol, which looks like this, degree symbol. If you type %C, AutoCAD will convert it into the diameter symbol, which appears as the diameter symbol. And if you type %P, AutoCAD will convert it into the plus/minus symbol, which looks like plus or minus. So for example, if you wanted to type 45 degrees, you would enter 45%D, and AutoCAD would display 45 degrees. If you needed to show a pipe diameter, you could type something like %C50, and AutoCAD would display diameter 50. And if you wanted to show a tolerance, you could type 10% P0.5, and AutoCAD would display 10 plus or minus 0.5. These simple keyboard codes can save you a lot of time, especially if you use symbols often in your projects. The best part is that both methods are very useful in different situations. If you want a quick visual menu, the text editor method is great. If you already know the symbol you need and want to type faster, the keyboard code method is the fastest option. Over time, most AutoCAD users end up using both depending on the task. Before we finish, a quick tip. Make sure you're entering these symbols in text fields, dimensions, or notes where AutoCAD supports text formatting. That way, the symbols appear correctly in your final drawing and when you print or export the file. So to recap, you can insert symbols in AutoCAD by typing mtext, opening the text editor, right-clicking and choosing symbol, or by using keyboard codes like %D for degree, %C for diameter, and %P for plus or minus. Once you know these 2 methods, adding symbols becomes fast, easy, and automatic. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple AutoCAD tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.